Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a program in Python to find the sum of digits of a number. Okay, so first I am going to take a number int input and I will take the input enter a here. Okay, and here I will take a while loop while a is not equal to 0. Here I will take a variable remainder rem, okay, equal to a modulus 10. This rem will give you the last digit of a number, okay. Like you take a, the value of a is 123. Then this rem will give you the value which is at the last index, okay, means 123. It will give you 3. When you divide a by 10, then you will get the remainder which is at the last position, means 3. Okay, and in next line I will write sum equal to sum plus this remainder. Okay, first it will take this number, after that 2, after that 1, but it will only possible when you will update the value of a, means a equal to a divided by 10. Okay, and here outside this loop I will write sum is comma sum. Okay, here I will initialize sum by 0. So let's run the code. Take the value of a to be 123. 123 means 3 plus 2 plus 1 6. So sum is 6. Okay, take another value 78 786. Okay, so 7 plus 8, I think 15 plus 6, 21. So sum is 21. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.